Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bioentrance, and today we will be discussing CRISAT CAT Biotechnology question paper of the year 2014. Coming to the first question, proteins having equal positive and negative charges are called. Those which have equal positive and negative charges are called as Zwitter ionic proteins. So answer is option D. Which of the following amino acids give yellow color with ninhydrine? Out of these, the amino acid proline will give yellow color with ninhydrine. The cholesterol associated with the risk of atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease is called. Answer is option A, LDL. LDL is the main source of artery clogging plaques. HDL works to clear cholesterol from the blood. Triglycerides are another fat in our bloodstream. Then next one. The normal range of prothrombin time is. Answer is 10 to 14 seconds. Answer is option A. The antigen presenting cells have on their surface special molecule called MHC class molecules. Either it can be MHC class 1 or class 2. Which of the following is an autoimmune disorder? Example is rheumatoid arthritis. The others are, this is autosomal recessive, that is sickle cell anemia. AIDS is caused by HIV virus and dengue is by mosquitoes. So answer is option A, rheumatoid arthritis. Then a hybridoma cell secretes. A hybridoma cell secretes antibody. Now what is hybridoma? It is in cell in 1975. Georges Kohler and Cesar Milston devised a method for preparing monoclonal antibody. They fused a normal activated antibody producing B cell with a myeloma cell, that is a cancerous cell, and they were able to generate a hybrid cell called as hybridoma. And this hybridoma, it possessed the immortal growth properties of the myeloma cell and secrete the antibody produced by the B cell. So answer is option A. Hypersensitivity reaction is mediated by IgE. Answer is option B. This IgE mediates the immediate hypersensitivity reactions that are responsible for the symptoms of hay fever, asthma, hives, and anaphylactic shocks. A tissue transplantation between two individuals belonging to different species is called allograft, autograft, xenograft, and isograft. Answer is option C, xenograft. Now what is allograft? Allograft is a tissue transferred from one body site to another in the same individual. That is called as autograft, not allograft, autograft. Such as transferring healthy skin to a burned area in a burned patient and use of healthy blood vessels to replace blocked coronary arteries are examples of autograft. So what is allograft? Allograft is graft from members of the same species. What is isograft? Isograft is tissue transferred between genetically identical individuals. That is, in humans, an isograft can be performed between genetically identical twins, that is monozygotic twins. Then what is xenograft? Xenograft is tissue transferred between different species, that is from a graft from a baboon heart to a human being. So they have asked the tissue transplantation between two individuals belonging to different species is xenograft. So answer C is correct. Which of the following is high energy currency of the cell? Answer is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Which of the following is called the book of life? Answer is option B, human genome. Now phosphodiester bonds are commonly observed in, they are observed in nucleic acid, that is DNAs. Light activation of enzymes is commonly observed in light activation of various enzymes, that is observed in chloroplast during photosynthesis. Amitosis is common occurrence in, amitosis is seen in bacteria. Option C. Which of the following is a storage polysaccharide in plants? Storage polysaccharide in plant is starch. Answer is option B. Independent genetic elements found in bacterial cells are called independent genetic elements. They are plasmids. Answer is A. Programmed cell death is called apoptosis. That is option B. Cells undergoing programmed cell death often exhibit distinctive morphological changes collectively referred to as apoptosis. These include modification of the cytoskeleton that results in membrane blebbing, condensation of the chromatin, and degradation of the DNA into smaller fragments. Now, what is necrosis? Necrosis is the changes associated with the cell death arising from injury. In necrosis, the injured cell swells and bursts, releasing its content and possibly triggering a damaging inflammatory response. Then, purification of atmospheric air is done by plants. Which of the following is non-biodegradable? Plastics. Answer is option D. Virus-free plants can be obtained from the following culture. Virus-free plants can be obtained from meristem culture. Answer is option C. The half-life of tritium is 12.3 years. A. Which one of the following grows remarkably well in polluted waters? So, water hyacinth and pistia. Water hyacinth absorbs nitrates. As a result, this indicates that water hyacinth thrives in polluted water bodies. It also reduces the amount of nitrates in water. And what does pistia do? Plants like pistia, eichhornia, hydrilla, vallisneria have already proved to be as mercury or chromium accumulators. These plants can be utilized for the removal of the heavy metal pollutants from polluted water bodies without endangering the life of other flora and fauna. So, answer is both B and D are correct. The most polluted river in India is Yamuna. Answer is option D. Smoke is a combination of fog and coal combustion. Answer is option A. SS bond is usually formed between. It is formed between two cysteine amino acids. Compounds that have the same structural formula but differing in three-dimensional arrangement of atom are called stereoisomers. Answer is option A. The major cell wall polysaccharide in plant is. The major cell wall polysaccharide in plant is option A, cellulose. Which one of the following is a quaternary protein? Quaternary protein is hemoglobin, myoglobin is tertiary. Then, sickle cell anemia is due to change of GAA to GUA. Now, how does this happen? This is because the mutation that causes sickle cell anemia is the substitution of an A for a T in the hemoglobin gene. Now, a sequence, that is CTT, it codes for GAA in the messenger RNA. So, the gene CTT will code for GAA in the messenger RNA. Now, GAA, what does it code? Which amino acid does it code for? It specifies the glutamic acid. Now, substitution of an A in the middle T in the sequence CTT. That is, if you cause a substitution for the middle T in CTT to A, that is, instead of T you are putting or you are substituting with A, it will lead to a mRNA with the sequence or with the codon GUA. And this GUA, it will specify the amino acid valine. So, the substitution of valine for glutamic acid at this position, it will alter the hemoglobin chemistry, thereby creating sickling of red blood cells. So, answer is option A, GUA. Which of the following is an inactive enzyme? Example is pepsinogen. Answer is option A. Which of the following enzyme function at high temperatures? So the stacked DNA polymerase will function at high temperatures. It is obtained from the bacterium Thermus aquaticus that lives in hot springs and hydrothermal vents, and Taq polymerase can be used in PCR because it is able to withstand the high temperature required during PCR. Then light reaction of photosynthesis yield. You will get oxygen, ATP and NADPH2. Chlorosis is generally attributed to the following element. It is generally attributed to magnesium deficiency, that is Mg. Answer is option C. Which of the following is a ripening hormone? Answer is option D, ethylene. It is a gaseous hormone. The predominant pigment involved in the root nodule fixation of nitrogen is? It is leg hemoglobin. Answer is option D. Which of the following is a dormancy breaker? Answer is gibberellic acid. So GA3, option C. Dehydrins are formed in response to? They are formed in response to water stress. Answer is option D. In SDS page, to initiate the polymerization reaction, the following compound is used. So ammonium persulfate is used to initiate polymerization in SDS page. Answer is option A. Cefadex is used in gel filtration chromatography. Answer is option A. Then radioactive damage can be detected in the field by? Answer is option B, scintillation counter. As per me, the scintillation counter will detect gamma radiations better than GM counter, because gamma rays have been the most widely used mutagenic agent in plant mutation breeding. So as per me, the answer will be scintillation counter. Then glycerol is produced by saponification of fats. Answer option A. Cancer can be diagnosed by? Answer is option B, that is biosensor. Which of the following transgenic plant is a beta carotene producer? Golden rice. So answer is option A, rice. Which of the following is a nucleic acid database? Nucleic acid database is DDBJ. Citric acid is commercially produced using as per Gillis-Niger. Proteases are obtained from Bacillus subtilis. Answer option A. Which one of the following is an ozone depleting chemical? Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Answer is option C. Biodiesel is chemically defined as? Biodiesel is alkyl esters of long chain fatty acids. Answer is option D. The primary product of photorespiration is glycolate. So answer is option A. If delta G is negative, then it is called exergonic reaction. Answer is option A. Immune dysfunction is the primary cause for? Immune dysfunction is the primary cause for in AIDS, not in diabetes or jaundice or arthritis, as per the option. So the answer is option C, AIDS. Which one of the following plants represents energy plantation? Morus alba. Answer is option. Electrically charged particles with an unpaired electron are called? They are called as free radicals. Answer is option B. Which of the following is an antioxidant? An antioxidant example is vitamin E. Dipole moment is commonly observed in? Dipole moment is seen in water. Answer is option A. Friedrich Sanger, who won Nobel Prize twice, discovered 2,3-dideoxynucleotide method for DNA sequencing. Option B. The National Center for Collection and Maintenance of Microbial Cultures is situated at IMTech in Chandigarh. So answer is option C. The first case of life patenting was done by Ananda Chakravarti. This is a repeated question. Answer is option A. The genetic manipulation of a cell leading to overproduction of a particular metabolite is called metabolic engineering. Answer is option A. Which one of the following is the weakest bond? Answer is option A. Hydrogen bond is the weakest among all the 4 bonds that are given. Krebs cycle is an example of amphibolic pathway. Answer is option C. What denotes a nanometer? Nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 meters. Answer is option D. DNA replication proceeds in this direction. It usually proceeds in the 5' to 3' direction. Answer is option B. DNA fingerprinting has an important application in. DNA fingerprinting is mainly used in forensics. So answer is option C. What happens to a person who receives a wrong type of blood? When the person receives a wrong type of blood, they will get agglutinated. So the red blood cells agglutinate. Answer is option C. Chaperones are used for. They are used in post-translational protein folding. They are used in folding of proteins after translation. Luciferase is isolated from, that is a reporter gene. It is used as a reporter gene, so it is isolated from a firefly, that is bacteria. Raman effect was discovered in the year 1928, that is D. LEA gene is involved in. The gene is involved in water stress resistance. Answer is option A. The corresponding keto acid for aspartic acid is oxaloacetate. Answer is option A. One of the following is not a direct precursor for purine biosynthesis. Answer is option D, that is cysteine. Penicillin is an inhibitor of. It inhibits glycoprotein peptidase. Answer is option B. Protein kinases can be regulated by. Protein kinases can be regulated by. Answer is option B, that is CAMP. Hybrids possess. Hybrids possess nuclear genome from only one parent but cytoplasmic genes from both the parents. So answer is option B. Which of the following statement is false? The pKa of acetic acid is lower than ammonium ion. pKa can be determined experimentally. The pKa of amino acid is independent of the R groups. The buffering capacity of any reagent is dependent on the pKa. Answer is option C. The pKa of amino acid is independent of the R. Then, which of the following is not a peptide hormone? Answer is bradykinin, option B. Binding of oxygen to hemoglobin follows. It follows a sigmoidal binding curve. Answer is option A. During organ transplant, tissue rejection may be due to. Rejection may be due to donor's class 2 MHC proteins. So answer is option C. Which of the following antibody molecule is pentamer? IgM is pentamer. Answer is option B. The technique for producing monoclonal antibodies was developed by Georges Kohler and Cesar Milstein. So answer is option A. The fibrous protein molecule having triple helical structure is option C, that is collagen. Semi-conservative DNA or chromosome replication using N14 was demonstrated by Michelson and Stahl. So answer is option B. Acidotymidine, an antiretroviral drug, interferes with reverse transcriptase or reverse transcription. So answer is option A. Which of the following inhibits the formation of contractile microfilament? Now that is contractile microfilament is inhibited by cytochalasin B. Molecular chaperones are involved in protein folding. Answer is option A. Paracrine signaling, it targets only nearby cells. Answer is option A. Which of the following is not a component of extracellular matrix? Answer is option C, vimentin. Then integrins are transmembrane receptors. Answer is B. Yield coefficient in fermentation represent total biomass or product produced. Answer is option A. High biological oxygen demand in water body indicates organic pollutants. Answer is B. Which of the following is not a direct consequence of greenhouse gas effect? Answer is option C, tsunami. Which of the following tissues convert pyruvate to lactate most efficiently? They are done by muscle cells. They convert pyruvate to lactate in anaerobic respiration. So answer is option B, muscle cell. Cis-trans isomerization of the peptide bond preceding an amino acid X is known to be critical in the folding of protein. The amino acid X is, answer is option D, that is proline. The surfactant Triton X100 commonly used to solubilize membrane protein is amphiphilic, that is answer is option C. Which one of the following is single strand specific nuclease, that is S1 nuclease? Answer is option C. Hemozoin is a toxin which is produced in human blood during plasmodium infection. Answer is option A. This is also a repeated question. All of these reagents are used in PCR except restriction enzymes are not used in PCR. You will use Taq polymerase, oligonucleotides and deoxynucleoside triphosphate or DNTPs. But restriction enzymes are not used in PCR. Heat shock proteins, originally described as proteins formed under stress, now it is also known that they act as molecular chaperones and help in protein folding. So heat shock proteins were originally described to be proteins produced under stress condition, but now they also act as molecular chaperones and help in protein folding. Which of the following stages is a cell at 4n condition? So during S phase, there is replication of DNA and the DNA content in the cell increases from 2n to 4n. So cells in S phase have 4n. Now DNA content remains at 4n in G2 phase as well as in the M phase, and it will decrease to 2n upon cytokinesis. So answer is A, that is prophase. Which one of the following is most likely to be the mechanism for evolution of multi-gene families? Answer is option B, gene duplication. Anthrax is caused by bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Option B. The primary lymphoid organs thymus and bone marrow. Answer is option D. Enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase belongs to oxidoreductases. Answer is option A. Which of the following is an epimer of glucose? Answer is galactose, and another epimer of glucose is mannose. This is also a repeated question. Chromosome constitution in Turner's syndrome is answer is option C, XXX0. Shine-Dalgarno sequence is the ribosomal RNA binding site. Excuse me. Answer is option A, ribosomal RNA binding site. Then the cytokinin secreted in response to viral infection is, answer is option B, interferon. A cesium chloride density gradient will separate DNA molecules by, the principle is buoyant densities. And so answer is option C. Cellular protein destined for secretion are sorted and packaged in. Answer is option B, trans-Golgi complex. Which of the following failed to develop thymus? Nude mice will fail to develop thymus. Answer is option D. Retting is a process of biodegradation involving degradation of pectin and starch. Answer is option B. Glycosylation of protein occur in endoplasmic reticulum as well as in Golgi. In endoplasmic reticulum, N-linked glycosylation take place, whereas in Golgi, O-linked glycosylation take place. Elevated level of RBCs and low affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen is an adaptation for high altitudes. This also is a repeated question. I have discussed this earlier. Which of the following amino acid has the maximum number of codons? There are 6 codons for leucine, whereas for tryptophan it is only 1. So answer is option A, leucine. The first dimension of separation of proteins for two-dimensional electrophoresis is based on. Now, two-dimensional electrophoresis separates complex mixture of samples using two different properties of proteins. One is that is in the first dimension, proteins are separated based on their pi values or isoelectric points. And the second dimension is by relative molecular weight. So answer is option B, isoelectric point. Pulse field gel electrophoresis is used for the separation of chromosomes. Answer is option D. A change in the pattern of gene expression without a change in the DNA sequence is called. It is called epigenetic. Answer is option B. Unit of distance between genes on a chromosome is. Answer is centimorgan. Now, screening of bacterial colonies using XGAL and IPTG it is based on the principle of alpha complementation. Answer is option A. The placenta in human is derived from. It is derived from myometrium and embryo, not endometrium, it is myometrium. So it may be a printing mistake. So it is derived from myometrium and embryo. Which of the following diseases is transmitted by a protein? That is prions. So it is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Answer is option A. Which of these is not used for the estimation of protein? Estimation of proteins, only DNSA method is not used. It is used extensively in biochemistry for estimation of reducing sugars, whereas all the other options they are used for estimation of. When an enzyme is assayed in the presence of a compound in increasing concentration, it is found that the Km of the enzyme increases without a change in Vmax. The compound is competitive inhibitor of the enzyme. Only a competitive inhibitor will cause a change in the Km value without changing in the Vmax. A competitive inhibitor is the inhibitor that competes with the substrate for the active site of the enzyme. Now, which of the following enzyme is used to clear blood clots that occur during myocardial infarction? So, answer is option B, streptokinase. Now, Barr bodies in female is an example of. Barr body is an inactivated condensed X chromosome found in female cells. This particular X chromosome is rendered inactive. The process by which X chromosome is inactivated is known as lionization. The Barr body is a part of the heterochromatin, therefore it appears condensed when viewed under microscope. So it is an example of heterochromatization. Answer is option A. Now, how many grams of NaOH molecular weight are to be dissolved to prepare 50 ml of 10 molar solution? Now, for calculating molarity, I have a formula that is 1000 by WB, 1000 into WB by MB into V. where M is capital M is molarity, WB is weight of the substance required, MB is the molecular weight of the substance, and V is the volume in ml. So they have given molarity is equal to 10 millimolar, that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 molar. Now we are asked to calculate how much grams of NaOH are to be dissolved to prepare a solution of 10 millimolar of volume 50 ml. So they are asked for WB. Now they have given the molecular weight as 40 and volume as 50 ml. So substituting in this formula, we will get WB, or the weight of the substance required, as approximately 0.02. So answer is option D. Gland that produces melatonin hormone is. The gland that produces melatonin hormone is pineal gland. Answer is option C. Ovalbumin is synthesized in oviduct. Next one. The structure of the complete enzyme, that is holoenzyme of RNA polymerase includes. RNA polymerase includes, answer is option C, alpha 2, beta, beta dash and sigma. Now RNA polymerase core from E. coli consists of 5 subunits, that is 2 alpha subunit of 36 kDa, a beta subunit of 150 kDa, a beta prime of 155 kDa and a small omega subunit. Then along with that, a sigma factor binds to the core, forming the holoenzyme. So answer is option C, alpha 2, beta, beta dash and sigma. Hemoglobin carries how many molecules of oxygen? It carries 4 molecules of oxygen. Answer. Mammals in which development of embryo doesn't take place inside the mother's body are monotremes. Example is platypus. Answer is option A. Which of the following is a conjugated protein? Answer is option D, hemoglobin. Pernicious anemia is due to the lack of absorption of vitamin B12. Answer option B. Natural killer cells play an important role in the destruction of. Answer is option A, tumor cells. Then, which of the following molecule is called oxygen protectant in root nodules? Answer is leg hemoglobin, option D. Comparative analysis of the total data can be best be represented by. It can be best represented by a pie diagram. Comparative analysis of the data is best represented by a pie diagram. Now cause site they are present in cosmids. Answer B. Lac repressor is a DNA binding protein. Answer is option A. Then the chance of getting a male child at delivery is termed as probability. You can get either a male child or a female child. So it's the probability. So answer is option B. Okazaki fragments are involved in lagging strand synthesis of DNA. Answer is option A. Which of the following is the most abundant RNA in the cell? It is rRNA or ribosomal rRNA that is involved in, that is the most abundant RNA in the cell. Different cell types from a lymphocyte population can be separated by which of the following techniques? They can be separated by density gradient centrifugation. So answer is option A, density gradient centrifugation. Whole blood contain various immune cells, that is monocytes and lymphocytes, as well as polymorphonuclear cells or granulocytes. So density gradient centrifugation, this allows for the separation of immune cells from whole blood components such as red blood cells, platelets and plasma. So answer is option A, density gradient centrifugation. Now, half-life of a radioactive material is 50 days. How many half-life will it take to become 12.5% of the original amount? So, half-life of a radioactive isotope is the time required for half the atoms in a given sample to undergo radioactive or nuclear decay. So initially at time 0 the sample is 100%. Now after 50 days only half of the original amount of this particular sample will remain. So half into 100% is equal to 50%. Now in the next 50 days, that is, you will get again half of this 50%. So half of 50% will be 25%. Then next 50 days you will get half of 25% remaining. That is 12.5% will be left out. So answer will be 3. The 1, 2 and 3. So the number of half-life it will take to become 12.5% of the original amount is 3. Answer is option C. Then the gene regulatory element is called as the promoter. Answer is option C. IPR is related to intellectual property rights are the legal rights that protect creations and or inventions resulting from intellectual activity in the industrial, scientific, literary or artistic field. So IPR is related to intellectual patent. Option B. DS elements are non-autonomous elements. Now AC and DS are as per the experiment done by Barbara McClintock in Cone while she was studying regarding transposons. The conclusions that she drew from her experiment was that the DS or the dissociator element, it requires some factor provided by the AC or the associator element to move, whereas AC is or the associator element is independent. Because of their relationship, AC is termed as autonomous element and DS as non-autonomous element. Both AC and DC can move. They are called transposable genetic element. Even though they can move, DC requires some factor provided by the AC to move. That is why DS is called as non-autonomous element, whereas AC is independent. Then hydrogen cyanide is present in tapioca. Answer is. Then electron microscope was invented by Ernest Ruska. Answer is option A. The character that appears in F1 is called dominant. Answer is option B. A trait that is expressed in the first filial generation or F1 is referred to as dominant trait, and the one which is not expressed is a recessive trait. So answer is option B, dominant. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.